a psalm of David.
My God, why you left me so far from help? I call, but no answer show. Day and night, me a call, me a pray. Still me cry can't fade away. But Lord, you only sit up high. In a praise where reach the sky. Me trust in you through trouble and pain. Me know you hear me call again. Them ancestors trust in your name. You save them from trouble and shame. But me small like worm in the ground. Them mock and laugh try to bring me down. But Lord, you only sit up high. In a praise where reach the sky. Me trust in you through trouble and pain. Me know you hear me call again. From whom you make me trust and breathe. But now them bulls and lions round me weave. Them roar loud, them teeth so sharp. Me weak inside, me feel the dark. Me bones ache, me heart a melt. Me tongue dry, but me still felt. Lay me low, but me nah give up life. Holding on tight through the strife. Them dogs surround, teeth them bare. Strip me clothes, but Lord still care. Come close, Lord, don't turn away. Help me live to see the day. But Lord, you only sit up high. In a praise where reach the sky. Me trust in you through trouble and pain. Me know you hear me call again. Me shout your name before the crowd. Praise you loud and praise you proud. You hear the meek, save the poor. Your love strong evermore. All earth will bow and praise your name. Every heart will feel the same. Seed will serve and spread your way. Tell this story every day. But Lord, you